Understanding stone deaf, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms, starting with stone deaf. Idioms can be tricky, but they're a vital part of sounding like a native speaker. So let's get started. The phrase, stone deaf, is used to describe someone who cannot hear anything at all. It is often used in a literal sense but can also be metaphorical, indicating that someone is ignoring or choosing not to listen to what's being said. Understanding an idiom often starts with its origin. Stone deaf has been in use since the 17th century. Stone, in this context, is used to signify something solid and unyielding, hence, completely deaf. Let's look at some examples. After the concert, I was stone deaf for a minute from all that loud music. He's not ignoring you, he's stone deaf and didn't hear you come in. Idioms like stone deaf reflect cultural attitudes and history. In this case, it shows an understanding and sometimes humorous exaggeration of deafness in language. And there we have it. We hope you're now clear on what stone deaf means and how to use it. Keep practicing, and you'll be sounding like a native in no time.